everyone, my name's Kathy. Welcome to my frugality channel, Skint Living UK. Today I just wanted to show you the things I've been up to. Oh, I've disturbed my cat. She's been sleeping on the pasting table on the cushion and I think my talking's woke her up. So while I've been looking around for stuff, as in me missing paint, I found these curtain tie backs. They were upstairs in my bedroom. They were originally £1 from Bernardo's. So I'm debating whether to use them or not. I don't know if they're too glitzy. Let me know what you think. I'm going to be using the grey velvet curtains I already had. So, yeah. So, what have I been doing today? I've been doing some filling. I've been filling around this door frame here. I don't know if you can see all the way down because it was all hanging off and knackered. I'd started putting the door frame up when my son used to sleep in here. There's more to do. I've got to do stuff up there, yeah. But what's been good is I've had my choppy saw out, my mitre saw, and I've got my dado rails up on the wall. So I've used the wood glue that I bought yesterday from Home Bargains and panel pin them up and use my little level. I've got a tiny little level which I've wrote my name on. I did have two big ones and workmen robbed them. The last one who was here, the plumber, he tried to walk off with me box of screwdrivers, so I've wrote my name on it on the inside and the outside. Just fed up with workmen, really am. So anyway, I've got the dado rail up there as well and filled around the top of it because the walls aren't straight, so you end up filling all around the top. I've got the lining wallpaper up, which I picked up from the charity shop for £2. So this was just finishing off the roll I'd already been using around the windows because I put the wallpaper around there as well. And I've also been filling in this corner. A bit of the plaster had come off in the corner bottom there. Someone had done a skimming layer or two. So I've ended up using a whole pot of filler and a little bit of the second one. This is all the wallpaper trim in there. I'm using it as a bin, so I threw it in the bin. You can tell this is the original plaster because on the corners it's got wood strips. In new places or newly done places, the corners are metal, like a metal mesh. So to sort of start the process, I've been using some scrim tape. This is great stuff. It looks like bandage. It's slightly tacky on the other reverse side. It's a bit like you know the way they put those metal grids in concrete to make sure the concrete sort of binds together. This does the sort of the same thing with filler or plaster. Really, I should have bought some skimming plaster, but I'm just fed up spending a fortune on DIY materials. I'll need some more filler on this to cover up the scrim tape, but as you can see it looks like bandage, so I've done it round the corner a bit and all around the bottom here. So this needs to dry out, the filler around the dado rails needs to dry out, and the wallpaper. So I'm not going to be doing any DIY over the weekend because A, I need a break, and B, I need to wait for everything to dry out. So what I might be doing is working on my curtains in my dining room. I've got blue velvet curtains, but they're short. The 90-inch drop, but they need 100 drop. And the curtains you buy are either 90 or 108, the ready-made ones. So I got 90. And when the curtains arrived, they were a bit thin and flimsy. I don't know if you can see here. These are my old curtains. They're like a grey chenille velour, and they were dead light as well. So I used the old curtains as linings for the new curtains and sewed them on. So as you can see, it's all been sewn on. I've hung them up after I'd put the dark denim. I bought some dark denim online and did the bottom, but I don't like the denim at the bottom. I'd rather have it At the top, this is the other piece for the other curtain. So it looks black in this light, but it's a really dark blue. So what I'm going to do is make where the denim is the top. So I've bought some curtain header tape because this tape is already sewn on to within an inch of its life already. And I'll put the header tape on the back of this. So this has just been pinned for now at the bottom because I know I'm going to be sewing the header tape on. I've actually attached it to the curtain at the top there, but the rest of this hasn't been sewn yet. So I'm going to be working on that curtain, and I might make a start on the second curtain, but I probably won't because I'm tired. But I'm just pleased to get the dado rail up, the lining paper up, some filling done, dado rail up on that side, and some of the filling here because there was gaping gaps, so I've stuck some temporary panel pins in to hold it in place while the wood filler is drying. And yeah, I need to do the top bit and finish off here. Here looks a bit of a mess because that's where the light socket used to be, because this room used to be knocked through and they'd blocked off the doorway and they had the light socket here. So when I got the electrician in to do me light, he moved it over there for me. So what I'm going to do is tidy all this up and put pieces in, and then I'll do the top bit. It's another little job to do. And I've got my choppy saw out, as I call it, a mitre saw, just do the skirtings as well. Because as you can see, everywhere's got skirting missing apart from in the bay window. But I'm just pleased I got a little snaggy job done. That took me ages. Because as you know, I've got arthritis in my hands, so I was struggling because I'd done with a third hand. I had to hold up the wood while it was glued and panelled into place. But as I said, I use this glue from Home Bargains. I think it's a really good strong stuff. Instant Nails, it's £1.79. They do a cheaper one for £1.29, but it's not as good as this green one. So if you're looking for cheap adhesive, I recommend this. £1.79, can't complain. So I'm just going to let everything dry over the weekend, and then I can think about skirtings and painting. The ceiling's been painted 3 times. There was a tiny bit of white paint left over, so I've just done some touch-ups today, and so the ceiling's been painted 3 times, and so was the hall. All the white bits of the hall going up the stairs, up the landing, up to my bedroom, all the white bits I've all repainted 3 times as well. So sick of all white paint. I was looking behind the chair in the dining room, and that needs repainting as well. But I've got the pale grey paint for that, so I'm just going to coat that again. But yeah, it's been a long journey getting here. I'm really tired today. As is Pelkins here on the... So I'm going to leave here in peace and bring my curtain upstairs because I like to sew when I'm in bed watching the telly. And I'll sort out this curtain over the weekend. I'm not doing any more today. And let all the little bits and bobs dry off so we can crack on with stuff. So if you've been up to doing any DIY or crafting as well, if you've been thrifting, I was made up to find these as tie backs, so they'll go on the window like that. But I've also found some actual tie backs that were silver and black, and I was like, oh, I don't know whether to use them or not. Just so indecisive lately, stuff. Yeah. But lots of little jobs done today. I'm a happy bunny, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now. Cat's tail's going because she's miffed.